Tired of squinting at tiny text on DuckDuckGo? Change the font size in under 30 seconds with this simple trick. I know exactly how frustrating it is when you're trying to scan through search results and everything just feels cramped. Or maybe the text is way too big and you're having to scroll like crazy. Either way, we're going to fix that right now. So here's the plan. I'll show you exactly where to click in the settings to adjust the font size to your liking. Just follow these steps and you'll be reading comfortably in no time. Let's start at the very beginning. Open up your DuckDuckGo browser. If you're using a separate browser with DuckDuckGo set as your search engine, that works too. Just make sure you're on the DuckDuckGo homepage. This is where all the magic happens. Now look up at the top right corner of your screen. See those three little horizontal lines stacked on top of each other? That's what we call the menu icon, and it's your gateway to everything DuckDuckGo has to offer. Go ahead and click on it. When that menu drops down, you'll see a list of options. What you're looking for is the one labeled Settings. It's usually near the bottom, but don't overthink it. Just click on Settings and we'll get where we need to go. Once you're in the Settings page, you'll notice a row of tabs along the top. Things like General, Privacy, and the one we actually want, Appearance. Click on the Appearance tab. This is where DuckDuckGo stores all the visual customization options, so it's worth remembering for later if you ever want to change themes or colors too. Alright, now that we're in Appearance, let's find the font size option. It's usually the very second option in the list, right below the theme selector. You'll see a drop-down menu next to it. And here's the part where you get to pick what works best for your eyes. Click on that drop-down and you'll see your choices: small, medium, large, larger, and largest. Medium is the default, so if you're finding things too small, try jumping up to large or even larger. If you're dealing with the opposite problem and the text feels enormous, stepping down to small might be your sweet spot. I've tested all of these myself, and honestly, larger is my go-to for comfortable everyday reading. But you do you. One thing I want to mention here, you won't see a live preview of the change on this page, so don't worry if nothing immediately looks different. Just trust the process. Once you've made your selection, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the Appearance Settings page. You'll see a button that says Save and Exit. Click that. And just like that, your new font size is locked in. Now go ahead and do a search, or just look at the homepage. You should notice the text is significantly easier on the eyes. And the best part? This setting sticks, so next time you open DuckDuckGo, you won't have to fiddle with it again. That's all there is to it. A couple of clicks and you've completely customized your reading experience. No more squinting, no more straining, just clean, comfortable text that works for you. Happy searching!